Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cote-Saint-Luc, local and long-distance movers near me. With the right Cote-Saint-Luc moving company, you can move any local or long-distance move easier. 3 Movers offers the right team to help you move when it's time to relocate. Whether you're trying to move across the country or a few miles away, we can make it simple. Our team of movers has helped students, veterans, businesses, and families with their moving needs. If you're ready to handle a long-distance move, we offer the following service options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate, you will have a long to-do list to deal with. It gets a lot shorter when you hire us to handle your long-distance move. We provide all the right services to make it simple for you to move, no matter how far you need to go. You can hire a Canada moving company to help with your local move. The option makes it simple to move, no matter how far you need to go. With good local movers, you can avoid all the heavy lifting you'll need done. 3 Movers will offer the best moving options for your local move. We know how to make sure you get to your new location faster and easier. If you're ready to handle your local move, let us make it easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cote-Saint-Luc moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.